Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy CEL tokens using FTX Exchange. And at the time of making this video, this is the cheapest method that I've come across to buy CEL tokens without having to pay a ridiculously high amount of gas fees, especially when considering buying CEL token from decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. So guys, if you do not have an account with FTX, you might want to create an account first. You can simply head over to ftx.com. Or you can use the link that I have dropped down below in the description to sign up, and the process of signing up should be fairly simple. So once you have created your own account, you can click over here. Well, in your case, the name that you use to register your account will appear over here. So when you click over here, and if you go to wallet, you will be able to see the current balances of your coins and tokens. Well, in your case, if you just created the account, then all of the balances are going to be zero. Right over here, you can see that my current balance is $238.3 US. And unlike in many exchanges, in FTX, if you happen to deposit any of these stable coins, we have USDC, TUSD, USDP, BUSD, and HUSD. Or if you happen to do a direct wire transfer of US dollars, all of that actually ended up in this USD basket. That's how they call it. And in my case, I happen to just deposit 238.3 USD coins and it ended up in this USD basket. So before you get started, you might want to fund your account, and to transfer some funds, all you have to do is just click on this deposit button. And in this case, let's say if I were to deposit some USD coins, all I have to do is just click over here, deposit, and it'll basically show you how you can fund this your special USD basket. And if you were to click over here, you will get the corresponding addresses to deposit USDC. As you can see, depending on the network that you're using, your address will be different. If you're using the Ethereum blockchain, then this would be the address. And if you're using the Solana network, then this is going to be the address, and so on. And just because we are on the topic of buying CEL tokens at the cheapest price possible, instead of depositing USDC, if there's a better choice of a stable coin that you can deposit at a very minimal fee, then I think you should definitely opt to use that. And what I can recommend is actually depositing Binance USD or BUSD, because if you were to deposit BUSD, just like this, in addition to using Ethereum blockchain, you can see that you have the luxury of using Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. And these two options are actually going to cost you less than $1. Whereas using the Ethereum network is actually going to cost you quite a lot more. Alright, so once you have funded your account, we can head over to this search panel and we can search for CEL, C-E-L, which will basically display the different types of trading pairs that you have access to using this FTX exchange. And over here, you can see that we are going to have access to two main trading pairs for CEL token, which is going to be with Bitcoin and USD. So if you want to trade directly with Bitcoin instead of depositing USD, you can opt to deposit Bitcoin. But I think it would be much easier if you were to deposit some sort of a USD stable coin. So I'm going to click over here and that'll bring you to this window. So as you can see right now, CEL token is trading at a price of $3.68, which I consider to be extremely cheap. And at the moment, CEL token happens to be extremely undervalued. So for the past week, I've been accumulating CEL token as well. So on the left side, what you can see is basically the candlestick chart. And over here, we can see the order book and the market trades. And what's going to be important for us is this window that we see over here. And over here, we can see two tabs. We have the tab for buying CEL token and we have the tab for selling CEL token. Now, in my case, I'm going to buy CEL token. And if I want to buy some CEL token at the current market price, I can set the order type to be market order. And in that case, I don't have the luxury of specifying my preferred price. It's going to get, the order is going to get filled at the current market price. And over here, we can specify the amount of CEL tokens that I would like to buy. But in case if you think that you would like to have a better deal, for an example, instead of buying the CEL token at 3.68, if you think that in the next couple of hours or maybe in the next couple of days, it would drop down to maybe 3.35. And if you would like to buy a certain number of CEL tokens at this particular price, you can set a limit order. And if you set a lower price, let's say 3.35, it's not going to obviously get executed until the price reaches that level. It's just going to remain as an open order. So after specifying the price, what we can do is we can specify the amount of CEL tokens that we would like to buy, or you can specify the amount of US dollars that you would like to spend, and the amount of CEL tokens will be calculated automatically. Now for an example, you can recall that I had about 230 something US dollars. So if I would like to spend maybe only about $150 to buy my CEL tokens at this particular price, which is $3.35, I'm going to get 44.7 CEL tokens. So obviously you can adjust the amount of USD that you're going to spend by adjusting this slider. So you can maybe move this all the way up to 200 as well, and in that case I'm going to get 59.7 CEL tokens. And you can click on this buy button and it's just going to do a quick check just to make sure that this is exactly what you intend to do. So I'm going to place my order like this, and as you can see, my limit order now got placed, and as soon as it hits this price and assuming that there is sufficient volume, my order is going to get filled. Now just for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to cancel this limit order and I'm going to place a market order so that I can do a live purchase of some CEL tokens and show it to you guys. So I'm going to flip this back to market order and I'm going to spend maybe $50 and I'm going to get about 13.5 CEL tokens. And now if I click on buy, it's asking us for a reconfirmation and we can say yes, place order. And now if I head back to my wallet, you can see that now I have 13.68 CEL tokens, which is worth about $50. Alright, now you might be thinking, how much does it actually cost to make this purchase in the spot market? So FTX has a tiered fee structure and this is how it looks. So if you belong to tier 1, the highest maker fee and the taker fee is 0.02% and 0.07% respectively. So considering the purchase that we did, the fee is actually just only very marginal. So that's why buying CEL tokens on FTX is actually one of the best ways to purchase CEL tokens on the market. Just as a side note, if you happen to hold any FTT tokens, then you will get these additional discounts on the FTX fees. So if you're interested in holding FTT tokens, that's going to actually work in your favor as well. Now we'll see how we can transfer these CEL tokens into our Celsius app. So I'm going to open up my Celsius wallet and I'm going to click receive. And from here, we can select coin that I'm trying to receive is CEL tokens. And as you can see, it's quite important to take note that you can send CEL tokens only using the Ethereum blockchain as ERC20 tokens. And if I click I understand, we'll be able to get the corresponding address for depositing the CEL token. So I'm going to just copy this address and now we'll head back to FTX, and from here what we can select is withdraw. And right over here I can specify that I would like to deposit all of my CEL tokens, and over here we can enter the corresponding address. And over here I will have to enter my Google authentication code, and what's important to notice is that the estimated fee is only 2.5 CEL tokens. That's roughly going to be about $7.5 considering the current price of CEL token. And after that, you can go ahead and click withdraw for the withdrawal process to get initiated. So after that, FTX is going to send you an email confirming your withdrawal request. And just in a matter of few minutes, you will receive your CEL tokens at your Celsius wallet. Alright guys, so that wraps up the tutorial for today. If you think that the video was helpful, show your support by hitting that like button. And in case if you're going to use the Celsius wallet for the very first time, you can use my referral code to get a sign-up bonus of $50 worth of Bitcoin once you have transferred $400 worth of any crypto assets to your account for the first time. So thanks a lot for watching guys. I'll see you again with another video very soon.